I'm Zach.
Dennis.
From Zero Gauge Customs. We're just a small company trying to get into the four-wheel drive scene. We started with just wanted to do sort of 12-volt gear, and now got roped into doing some diffs. So
Carolina was getting bagged out there, so you hit us up.
wheels, power shaft, and then start stripping. What do you start on, back or front? Front.
Yeah, if you start taking off this, mate.
Yeah,
This is as qualified as you get. The production's waiting for you.
Whoa. How am I supposed to take the nuts off, mate? You gotta be vlogging this stuff.
Your teeth.
Not enough yet. Anytime today, bro. Should've got the right size there.
Maybe it's just a stripped nut. Oh my, you got some brains!
Oh, hey, just remember which one's front, which one's back.
You should rotate them while you're doing this.
Nah, because I'm on balance.
Oh, this heat is so good, bro.
There.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
Are you gonna help too?
Well, do you want me to?
Up to you. I'm not fast.
If you need help, you just tell me, but I'm better
I'll
off
tell you what
vlogging.
we're gonna do. Alright?
Alright, go for it. Tell him.
I was gonna explain to you.
Alright, yeah. Because then that might be. Yeah, so
Alright,
let's go.
So we're gonna pull the hubs off.
Yep.
Then we'll do, you're gonna do caliper, this arm, and rear arm on both sides on this one. Take that off. So we're gonna just unbolt it from the back here, pull the whole lot out.
Oh, I'll pull the whole lot out.
Yeah.
Might save the wheel bearing too as well on the seals, I guess.
We won't be touching wheel bearings, nothing.
Nah, I've just
No,
done the
okay.
wheel bearing, so that should be all pretty new.
Yep.
So, done, let's get cracking.
Alright, done.
Look at the smile on his face, mate.
He's excited. So excited. Wait till the test run after.
What, the nature strip?
Nah, the fucking motorbike track behind us.
Jesus, I'm gonna need a quick gun on this. Oh yeah, fucking time, yeah! It's happening.
You're the girl. You want to do caliper first or?
Whatever, just chuck me tools and I'll do it if you want. I need pliers as well.
I'll give you these.
You'd almost think you're competing tomorrow, mate. I've seen comp guys do it within 2 hours.
Well, we've actually seen comp guys do it in car parks. What? Change rear centers over.
Really?
Yeah, like we were at
And short sides.
controller part.
Mate, they did so quick.
Maybe I am competing in Wild Dog.
We need.
Go.
You won't hold it. Oh, put in full drive.
No, you do this way.
Well, I want it to look professional, not fucking shove bars in there.
What in four-wheel drive?
I'm not just a pretty face, bro.
I'm not getting that on camera. Anth, it's not a backyard job, bro.
Yeah, that's what I said, lock it.
Josh, she has. You need some fucking...
You know what, at least Frankie's on it. He's hiding it.
As long as I don't
It just looks professional from here.
Yeah.
Go, Zach. I'll undo this, then you go do the other side, and I'll sort that out later.
Mr. Patrol over here.
Get the angle grinder ready.
Where's the things that
Yeah,
go on the
go help Zach.
Where's the things that go on the rattle? For that.
About radio.
Hey, then one here is we're changing the actual locker seal. There's 2 seals in the locker that hold the air in. They didn't need to be changed. We tested the locker before we went to change the seals, but you'd rather be safe. The seals were like $6 each from ARB.
7. Don't tell them trade price.
I think we actually got them cheaper, to be honest. I said
I'm gonna start losing mine. Jesus.
I know, everyone's gonna be like, I watched the video on YouTube and it was less.
So inside the diff, there's a couple of seals. So the air comes in, obviously through the top here, and comes through. There's some, you can't really see them on the camera. There's some little holes in there, and then goes down. That blocks the diff, and the air gets held in from these 2 seals. Which we've got some fresh ones here. So just a bit of preventative maintenance, so we don't have to pull the diffs out again. We're gonna change them. Don't want to scratch fucking the inside of it, just in case the new seal doesn't seat right.
yeah, you don't want to.
Yeah, I've got the pointy one here.
Because I'm on the tools today.
Bro, you can be on the tools for 10 minutes and then you'll be doing something else.
Alright, I'm gonna put the car in forward drive and lock it.
So
It's not gonna be that long.
I'd like to thank ARB for not giving me trade price. So we got the looms. They're all marked up and all that. Not that that matters to me, but so there's the looms there. Oh yeah, look at these bad boys. There's a switch. That's what I wanted to see. For this little bad boy. So all the internet trolls are gonna be like, why didn't you get a twin compressor or whatever it is, whatever you want. It's got the single one because I just want this compressor to solely run the lockers and that's it. So, and it's good size as well, fit under your seat and stuff like that. Well, where are we mounting it, boys?
Wherever you want. We said under the passenger seat where you want it.
Well, passenger seat, I said under the driver's seat, but.
Air fucks a bit of vibration under him.
Standard.
So that's everything there.
Could I have a drag, please?
Ooh.
Babe, I'm getting filmed. What do you want?
Libba, can you pass the sockets? It's fucking filthy, man.
That's nasty in there.
Donnie, we're gonna make your VS a live axle.
Put GU diff in it.
How's the CV look?
Yeah, the CV is alright.
Can't get more.
Yeah.
Fuck, Rich demolished this.
Carolina fucks it, and like for zero gauge customs, we fix it. For example, that. That's how Carolina services his car.
Hang on, let me get into focus. There it is.
Wallah, bro, I'll service my own car.
Oh, no, yeah, I got it.
Yeah, so stinky.
Dennis, remember you gave me bushes already?
Did I?
Yeah, you did.
And then I have to go buy my oil band stuff.
Oh, no.
I know what I'm gonna do. That must have pushed up against the exhaust.
Oh, look at that, bro. That ain't clean like the other one.
Can't get. Oh, there we
Yeah,
are.
that's because I blew my diff.
Fine.
I'm V-blogging.
Extra.
Might be a bit out of their capabilities since they are only doing diff centers and lockers and all that for me.
Bro, don't go firing shots like that in the V-blog.
That's a joke. We'll edit it out, alright? Fuck hell.
Yeah. Just about off. Yep.
You got it?
Yeah.
So I guess I got a brand new rear diff, eh?
I'm Zach, and this
I'm
is
Dennis.
We're from Zero Gauge Customs. Amp came to us chasing some lockers for his 4.2 patrol. So we hunted some second-hand air lockers down, stripped them out of the old housings, took them to a diff mechanic, had them all checked, did all the internal seals on the locker, pulled it all apart, all the internal seals, all fresh. That's a main spot where they leak over time.
So we got the compressor, the ARB compressor that we bought for Anth. We plugged it in, tested it all, checked, make sure the compressor didn't keep kicking in, no air leaks. They kicked in right away, like we had no issues with it.
New bulkhead fittings, all fresh airlines, and now we've got a twin lock patrol. So around the swivel hubs on the inside, you could see that a bit of water had gotten in there, whether it had been through the kingpin or somewhere else. It's left a bit of rust, so we cleaned it all up.
Swivel hub and the inner axle seals got changed. And we also he had 3 9s in it previously, now he's got 4 11s, which should help him out there a bit more. We ran the compressor underneath the driver's seat. All the airlines are run straight up along the brake lines. Right underneath the seat there was grommets through there, just all along the brake lines. And we also water sealed all the holes that we had to put the airlines through. All the wiring's tucked underneath nicely. Under the carpet, there's no wires, there's nothing, everything's in curry.
So because they were second-hand centers, we didn't know if there was any gunk sort of like inside them. We cleaned them out as much as we could, degreased them, and then when we put them in, we just flushed a bit of shabby oil through. Well, it was brand new, but just wasn't up to spec oil. Put it through, had it up on the hoist, around the car, then flushed it all out and put new oil in.
So after we'd done the flush, put the new oil, wired it all up, we went out for a test run to see how it went, and actually everything worked really good. We had no air leaks, we had no oil leaking, and we hit some ruts, and yeah, they didn't give up, which was good.
Yeah, just chasing anything really, like any sort of work from this sort of stock standard stuff, light bars, to full fit outs, anything custom. We're looking at expanding as much as we can. We've got a few people on board to help with some custom bits, something different. We're based in Melbourne. Facebook, Instagram, my number's there, so I'm available 24/7. Just hit me, or send a text, send through the Facebook page, through the Instagram page.
We fucking... I regret selling him.